I like seeing a product coming from raw wood to the beauty that it is.
We take the best raw materials and we craft it into a better product.
You know it when you see it. That's ours. We know that we built that.
I've been with John Boast for about 1.5 years now.
Been here 2 years.
5 years.
14 years.
14 years.
14 years.
16 years.
37 years.
43 years.
The attitude here, it's Midwestern, and there's a lot of good workers that come out of this Midwest region. It's ethics, it's hard working, you show up every day, you give your best, you go home to your family, and you come back the next day the same way.
That's the key ingredient. Good people and people that's willing to work. No matter how fancy the machines or welders are, it still takes a person to run them.
They really know what they're doing. They make sure that everything is perfect.
They're a bunch of good guys. A whole bunch of good guys there that care about what they put out.
It's the passion behind the product. That's what it is. That's what makes John Boast special.
Integrity in what they do. You know, it's dedicated. They come to work and they do this job every day, but it's something that's in them. And they put everything they have into these blocks. There's a lot of pride in that.
You gotta have the attention to detail and take pride in your work and make some beautiful products. And I get to be the final touch on that.
That's what you get up in the mornings for, is to be able to do something that you would have pride in at the end of the day.
It just becomes an art. You start looking different places you go, hey, wow, hey, we actually made that.
You'll see that top in a dining room table somewhere where the sun's glistening off of it. You know, you want to have that John Boast sparkle to it, you know, and that's a perfect product right there that belongs to someone's house. It carries on our quality and craftsmanship.
But at the end of the day, they stamp that thing, or they put the date on the bottom of it, they're proud of it. That stamp means a lot. That stamp means the history of this company.